Damas y caballeros, saludos a todos. It's your favorite travel host, Akeem, with Live Be Do. This evening, we're enjoying an incredible experience in Cali, Colombia at La Azotea de la Abuela, translated as Grandmother's Roof. This is a rooftop experience hosted by Doña Elena Hinestroza Vente in El Oriente, the eastern part of the city of Cali, Colombia. During this experience, our host talks to us and teaches us about Black culture on the Pacific coast of Colombia. We learn about agriculture, we learn about food, we learn about music, we learn about history, and then we top it off with a musical presentation at the end. We dance, we sing, we learn songs. If you're interested in participating in this experience or one of the other amazing Afro Colombian experiences that we host and curate in Cali, Colombia, make sure you visit our website at www.welivebedo.com, or you can just hit us up in the DM. Yes.